Hi, I'm Brooke from Handmade Craftiness, and in this tutorial I'm going to guide you through putting together the Large Folio kit, available from my Etsy store. Once you have printed all of the base pieces and cut them out, you will need to cover the back of these with the background paper provided. When the glue is finally dried, you will then need to score them down the indicated line and then fold. Next, you will need to apply glue to the folded edge of base 1 or 4, depending on where you want your tab, and attach base 2 as shown. Glue the tab of base 2, then attach to base 3. Apply glue to the opposite base that you started with and attach to the underside of base 3. Attach panel 5 to base 3, making sure to line up with the inner edge. For the rest of the pieces, you can decorate as you wish, or you can do as I have done in the video. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will link my shop in the description below.